hair, boo-boo. Like, this on me, okay? Okay, it's not on me, but...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leah Alicia. Thank you for tuning into today's video. So today I'll be doing an unboxing slash styling video on this wig that I got from this company called Dolahair. They sent me a headband wig, y'all, and I'm so excited that I get to show you guys my opinion and my reaction on the hair. I've been wanting to get a headband wig for a while now because I'm like, how convenient is that? Like, you just throw it on and go. Like, you don't have to worry about just like all that extra that comes with like lace fronts and like closure wigs and all that. So yeah, so I'm super excited. If you guys are interested, honest opinion, keep watching. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can know whenever I post new videos. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so this is the box that the hair came in. It's super cute. As far as shipping, I don't have any complaints at all. My hair took about 1 week to arrive, which isn't bad considering that the company is based in China. All right, you guys, let's get into the unboxing portion of this video. So of course you have your wig. Not only do you have the wig, they also threw in some headbands in there as well. They're super cute. So we have an edge brush, a little baggie that says Dolahair, so cute. They gave me a brush. And lastly, we have a wig cap. So literally everything you need comes in this box. You don't have to go out and purchase anything. All right, let's get into this wig, y'all. So I received an 18-inch Brazilian curly hair. The density is 150%, and I did get a medium cap. So this hair is 100% human hair, so you can do whatever you want with it. You can add products, you can straighten it, or, you know, anything that you can do with your own hair, you can do with this hair. As y'all can see, I'm obviously so excited about this hair. It's so beautiful. It's shiny, it's lustful, bouncy, everything. I was actually really surprised because I'm thinking, you know, it's a headband wig, so the quality won't be as great, but I was definitely wrong about that. So here I'm just showing you guys the inside of the cap. It does come with 4 combs in total. You have 3 in the front and 1 in the back. So the combs just helps to keep the hair from sliding back and keep it nice and secure on your head. Also on the band, you do have some Velcro on the back, so this keeps the band nice and tight. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair for the wig. So the style that I'm going for is a little swoop-de-swoop on the side, as well as my edges laid on the other side. So what I'm gonna do is put, like, you know, 2 big twists in the back. I didn't have time to braid my hair. I obviously have too much hair for that. But long story short, I went ahead and braided my hair off camera, and I'm gonna come back so that you guys can see how I put the wig on. All right, you guys, I'm back. I know I look crazy, but I got my hair semi-flat in the bag, as flat as I can get it. And I went ahead and left this piece out because, as I mentioned before, I'm going for like a swoop type of deal. So yeah, I wanted to leave this piece out, and then I'm going to gel it down, and then I'm going to lay my edges on this side, and you guys can watch me do that. The only product I use for this hairstyle is, of course, my Eco Styler Gel. Y'all know I swear by this product. I use it for my wash and goes, and obviously to lay my edges. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I do that.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top.
I decided to go ahead and tuck this little piece into the back of the cap just so I don't have to worry about it getting into my way. And for the moment we've all been waiting for, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. I don't know why, but I was so nervous at this point, but let's go ahead and see how it turns out.
Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright.
So here I'm gonna go ahead and take a wide tooth comb just so that I can comb some of the curls out and add some volume just to make it look a little nicer. As you guys can see, the hair is starting to look better already. It looks much nicer and less wiggy, which is exactly what I was going for. And I also wanted that extra volume because I like big hair. But y'all, I am very impressed with the way this hair turned out. It is gorgeous. You cannot even tell that I'm wearing a wig right now. Like, who can tell me that this is a wig? Like, what wig? I had to do a little 360 for y'all so y'all can get the full effect of this hair. Y'all, it's gorgeous. I can't stress that enough. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and rate this hair a 10 out of 10 just because, like I said before, it's so beautiful, and also they're very affordable. I'll go ahead and leave the link for the company in my description box down below so that you guys can check them out and see what they have to offer. But yeah, definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I highly recommend getting a headband wig, y'all. I get a lot of questions on how I maintain my hair growth, and the answer is very simple. It's just very low manipulation. With these headband wigs, that's exactly what you get. It's the perfect protective style, and it's also very cute, so you can't go wrong. If you guys would like an update on this hair, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll go ahead and make a video for y'all. But that's all I have for today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love y'all so much, and see y'all next time. Bye.